Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows Update missing settings in Windows 11. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand policies, click Explorer, delete settings page visibility. Second method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand administrative templates, click Control Panel. Open Store page visibility. Check Not configured. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.